Good morning, student. In today's class, we will discuss about the basic command required to draw a schematic. Whenever you open the schematic window, in the top window you find the software name, but you show schematic editor. Okay. Then your library name. So my library name is Manish underscore Cadence, and followed by the cell name. So cell name is basic underscore CAD. Okay, so there are a lot of command is available. So if we know about the exact function of these command, so and we are habitual about these commands, so it is very easy to draw a code schematic. So one by one we study about these all command and the shortcut of these command. So in the left hand side, this is represent the open. So what the function of this open? So if you want to open the multiple schematic, okay, then we use this command. So just click on this. So see here, the library name is Manish underscore Cadence, and at the present cell name is basic underscore Cadence. Suppose we want to open the another library, suppose inverter, and we are opening the cell name INV in. Okay, so see here, this is the first command, the first cell which we have opened, and now second cell is inverter. Okay, so same here, we can also open the multiple schematic window if we require. So the function of this open to open the multiple schematic window. Okay, now we will discuss about this check and save later. So this is in move command. This is in move, very important command. This command is used to move the component, okay, from one point to the another point in the same schematic window, or we can move all the schematic from one schematic window to the another schematic window. So see, so first click on the command. So command will be active. Select the component. Click. Okay. Then command is this can be moved. Okay. Anywhere. So when you click on the schematic window, so this pin is shift from this point to this point. Now suppose we are clicking on this transistor PMOS. So this is now active and this can be moved from anywhere on the schematic. So command is active and remain active till now you does not press the escape key. Okay, so you can move the component from anywhere throughout the schematic. This is my undo command. So through undo we can repeat its previous command. Okay, so see, uh, so that is the function of move. Suppose we want to move this schematic from this cell view inverter to basic inverter. So just press on move, select the schematic. Okay, now press on the schematic anywhere window. So now this is active. So just go to the basic underscore Cadence and click here. So see here, the your schematic is shift from inverter cell view to the basic Cadence view. Okay, so through this window, through move command, we can move the component within the schematic window, or we can shift our schematic from one schematic window to the another schematic window. Okay, now I'm just undoing my command. Next function is the copy. So copy is create the duplicate of the component within the cell, or we can copy the a schematic from one schematic window to the another schematic window. So just click copy. Now select suppose this pen. So now this is active. So when you leave it, so this pin is copied from here to here. So command remain active until you does not press the escape key. Now suppose I am selecting this transistor. So transistor is active. So what? So this transistor is copying from here to the here. Suppose that is also copy. So using copy command, okay, we can copy the number of component within the same schematic. Okay, so just undoing command, and suppose we want to copy the full schematic from one schematic window to the another schematic window. So just active the copy command, select your schematic, press. So this is now again active. Move to other window is cell view. So now see here, now inverter circuit is also here, and this is copy into the other command. So using copy, we can create multiple number of component of full schematic from one cell view to the other cell view. Okay, so first copy, then this command is move command. This is my copy command. So now just wait for 1 minute. Okay, that is it. Okay, so this is okay. So now next is stretch. So what is the function of stretch? Stretch is just stretching our circuit. So see, when we active this command, select the component, so this is now active, so component is stretching particularly. So if you left there, so this is stretch here. If you select this, that is a stretch. So stretching the component. Okay, so this is now active, so this command is active, so used to stretching our circuitry. Okay, so that is used for the purpose of this command is stretching. Okay, this is a delete. If you want to delete a particular component or selection, so select the command, select the component, so that will be the deactive. Suppose we want to delete this wire, want to delete this pen, want to delete this pen, delete this transistor. So command again remain active until you press the escape key. So delete command is used to delete a particular portion or component. Okay, delete. Now that is an edit property, is an special command. So see, if we active this command, okay, active this command and select a particular component. Okay, active this command. Okay, so the window is pop up. So this is representing all the property of the transistor. Okay, what the library name, cell name. So suppose you want to edit the display. So suppose we have select both. So library name and TSMC. Suppose cell view want to display this value of symbol is representing of display. So if we want to display this, so just select value or name. So when you select any particular value, so that will be displayed into the your schematic. So library name, TSMC, view name, symbol, PMOS. So using edit, using this direct text edit, we can add the property of the particular component. Okay, now suppose we have select that transistor. Now suppose we are selecting this transistor, just click on this active. So you can just value display, you can display what value you want to display. So this is off of that, display is off. If you want to represent, suppose we want to display the length. Okay, just value or both. When you play select the both, it will represent the length, particular model name, as well as its value. So okay, so when you place this, So it represents the L equal to 130 nanometer. Okay. So using this added property, we can add the property of particular component. Okay. So next is delete text edit. Okay, direct text edit. This command is used to rename our component. Suppose I am acting this command. So my this transistor name is PMOS. Suppose we want to make this name as my transistor. So transistor name become my transistor. Suppose we want to make this ground full. So that is direct text edit ground. So name is okay. So just wait. So see, that is added property. This is not direct. Now next we are talking about the direct text edit. Select this command ground. So we want to change this name GROUND ground. So you can give the name of that command. Okay. So you can using the direct text edit, we can change the name of our component. Okay. So just undoing the command. Okay. So first copy, then move, copy, then stretch, delete, then edit property. So and the direct text. This is undo and re-undo. This is zoom. So if you press on this circuit, so your circuit is zoom. This is zoom out to reduce the size, and that is the zoom fit. So your schematic is fit into the window. Okay, so suppose you have made a very less very not visible your circuit. So when you press the zoom fit, your circuit is into the fit into your schematic window. Okay, so what the function, this is an important function, that is zoom to selected portion. Suppose you want to zoom a particular selected portion, so select this, and when you zoom it, so a selected portion is, so this is used to select a particular portion. Now there are the some important key, uh, just see here. So this is the instance key. So this is when you want to select the component, just click on here or press the Q. Through the Q, you can generate this window or click this. So this is a my window, browse, go to the browse. So here you find all library. Okay, so here we have the gpdk 180, gpdk 90, inverter, manish underscore guidance. So all available library is here. Suppose you want to select the component, suppose nmes, find the from the gpdk library. So gpdk, now select the nmos symbol. Okay, this window is representing all the function of my library. Okay, so w length, width, what is the threshold voltage, so till now we are not interested in, so that is my component. So command is active until you does not press the escape key. Okay, so again you can press q or the on the browse, go to the analog library. Okay, so suppose we want to select the supply voltage, so VDC symbol. Okay, Okay, so BDC voltage suppose 1 volt. So this is browse analog library, say analog library supply is BDC. Okay, symbol suppose voltage value is 1 volt. Okay, height. So through this we can select the power supply. Okay, so now that is used to connect the power supply. So I am deleting some, suppose one there is only one transistor, and we are selecting the power supply VDC 1 volt height. So this is my supply. Okay, escape. Suppose we would require the ground, so just you can press here ground or go to the browse. Same, you will analog library, you can press here the ground, so same component you will generate here. Okay, so this is my ground. Okay, suppose you want to connect, so this is the create the narrow wire. Generally we require the narrow wire. You can press W or click on this window. So wire is create. So from where you start, so click there and left there, up to you want to connect the wire. Okay, suppose I want to start here in the direction up to this, so click here, then this point, click here. So just start. So through this you can connect the wire. Okay, so that is my wire. So this is a thin wire, this is a thick wire. Okay, so that is a thick wire, till now does not require, but we will discuss later. But generally we require to draw a schematic the thin wire. So select the thin wire. This is for the buyer name. Suppose we want to give the name as B in and want to another name, so just press escape, B out, any name. So number of buyer name, so just change the buyer name, just press the space, B out, B in, suppose power supply, POW. Okay, hide. So first active B in, suppose this is B in, click, this is B out, this is my power. So you can give the buyer name with the help of this buyer. Okay, this is the pin. Pin is created to generate the symbol. Okay, later we will discuss about the create, what is the function of this pin. Okay, so important point is open. So this is first open. Open is used to generate the generate the multi, open the number of schematic window. Okay, or the number of multiple cell view. This is check and this is used for the save the circuit. Okay, this now your schematic is saved, and this is a check and save. So it represent the error. Possible, what is that error? Error means the circuit that your connection is not properly connected, or there may be some error. Okay, so this is check and save. Move. Move is command is used to move the component from one place to the another place. Copy, this is used to copy or generate the duplicate of the component. That is an stretching of my wire or the component. Okay, this is delete is used to delete the particular component. Okay, this is an edit property is used to generate the particular property. Okay, my delete command is active till now, so just escape press. So that is an edit property, and press here, so you can generate the different display here. This is a direct text edit. Direct text edit is used to change the component name. Anywhere you can change the name of the component. This is repeat last command. Okay, that is re-undo and undo and re-undo. This is for zoom in, and that is zoom out. This is for the fit of the window. that is the generating of different component. Create a start, press okay I. You can generate this through the I pin, okay, or just click on this. You can generate the wire by using this, active the wire, or press the W. Okay, this is the thick wire, this is for the rename. Okay, so file, open, same window is here. Okay, so check and save. You can use the shift X key plus X key for the save, control S. Okay, so we can use the shortcut key here. Okay, for the zoom you can use the Z for zoom in by fit, that is L. Zoom to set, control plus T. So these all are the pin shortcut for use for the particular window. Okay, so this is the basics. So if you know about the basic command, you can draw a very good schematic circuit. Okay, so thank you very much. In next lecture we will discuss the about the introduction of number of power supply, okay, used in the cadence. Thank you very much.